Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best rags paper towels is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any household, playing a crucial role in everything from quick kitchen cleanups to tackling unexpected spills, making its selection a surprisingly important decision for maintaining a clean and functional living space. Number 5. Swedish Wholesale Reusable Sponge Cloths, 10-pack. Discover the ultimate cleaning companion. These reusable cloths are designed to tackle any mess, transforming from stiff to soft with just a little water. Tired of smelly kitchen sponges? Ours are made with a special blend that dries quickly, preventing odors and keeping your home smelling fresh. Make a difference for the planet and your wallet. Each one of these replaces over 15 rolls of paper towels and lasts for months. Experience incredible cleaning power. They absorb up to 15 times their weight in liquid, making quick work of even the biggest spills. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply toss them in the dishwasher or washing machine for easy care and enjoy over 50 uses. Designed to dry completely stiff, these cloths promote hygienic cleaning. They are perfect for all your household surfaces. From delicate marble to sturdy stainless steel, these cloths are safe for all your surfaces. They clean effectively without scratching. What we like? These cloths are incredibly absorbent, capable of soaking up 15 times their weight in liquid. They are also designed to be odor resistant, keeping your kitchen smelling fresh. If you're looking to significantly reduce your paper towel usage and prefer a hygienic cleaning solution, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. These paper towels are surprisingly strong and absorbent, holding up well even when wet. The perforated sheets tear off cleanly, making them easy to use without wasting material. They are versatile and can be used for various cleaning tasks around the house, from spills to dusting. Number 4. S&T Incorporated Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 100-pack. Introducing a 100-pack of versatile cleaning cloths from S&T Incorporated. These reusable towels are perfect for all your cleaning needs around the house. Use them as kitchen cleaners or add them to your car cleaning kit. They are the perfect solution for keeping your home and vehicle spotless. These ultra-soft, lint-free cloths are incredibly delicate yet effective on various surfaces. They work wonders on wood, glass, tile, and more. Incorporate these into your cleaning supplies for use as bathroom or kitchen towels, or even as a TV screen cleaner. They are also great for dusting floors. These small cloths are machine washable and durable, offering a sustainable alternative to disposable paper towels or wipes. They are a smart choice for eco-conscious cleaning. Highly absorbent, they can be used dry or with your favorite cleaning spray. They are excellent for cleaning, soaking up spills, and even cleaning pet paws. What we like? You get a massive pack of 100 cloths, making them incredibly cost-effective for frequent cleaning. They are ultra-soft and lint-free, perfect for achieving a streak-free shine on various surfaces. If you need a large quantity of reliable cloths for general household cleaning or detailing your car, this bulk pack is ideal. What people say. These paper towels are surprisingly strong and absorbent, making them great for tackling tough messes. I love how soft these paper towels are. They don't leave lint behind, which is a huge plus for cleaning glass surfaces. Number 3. FEBU Swedish Dishcloths 5-pack. Tired of spills? Our cloths absorb up to 20 times their weight, handling even the biggest messes without dripping. They work like a sponge but wipe like a cloth. Make the switch to a sustainable choice. One of these cloths can replace over 17 rolls of paper towels. They are machine washable and incredibly durable, saving you money and reducing waste. Achieve a spotless shine every time. The unique diamond texture traps crumbs and scrubs away dried food without scratching surfaces. Enjoy a lint-free finish on all your kitchen counters and appliances. Clean your home with peace of mind. Made from natural, plant-based materials, these cloths are fully biodegradable and compostable. They break down naturally, supporting a zero-waste lifestyle. Gentle yet effective cleaning for your entire home. These cloths are safe for use on delicate surfaces like marble, wood, and tile. Trust them for a non-scratch cleaning solution in every room. What we like? These cloths boast an impressive absorbency, soaking up 20 times their weight, and are made from 100% biodegradable natural materials. The unique diamond-textured weave ensures a streak-free clean without scratching delicate surfaces. If you prioritize eco-friendly products and demand a high-performance clean for your kitchen and home, these are an excellent sustainable option. What people say. These paper towels are super absorbent and strong. They hold up well even when wet, which is great for cleaning up spills. The sheets are a good size, making them effective for various cleaning tasks. Number 2. JOYMOOP 18-pack microfiber cleaning cloths. Experience amazing absorbency that cleans any surface in just a few wipes. Achieve a streak-free shine on glass, mirrors, dishes, and more without scratching. Crafted from a soft microfiber blend, these cloths are gentle on your hands. They are safe for all your cleaning needs, including washing dishes. These kitchen towels are incredibly absorbent, soaking up liquids and stains with ease. Enjoy durable, lint-free cleaning that lasts. Wash and reuse these dish towels hundreds of times, saving money and reducing waste. They are a sustainable alternative to disposable paper towels. This set includes 18 cleaning cloths in 3 assorted colors. Tackle various household chores efficiently with this family-size pack. What we like. These microfiber cloths are super absorbent and lint-free, making them great for drying dishes and cleaning surfaces without leaving fuzz behind. They come in a convenient pack of 18, offering good value for everyday cleaning needs. If you're looking for a soft, effective, and reusable option for your kitchen and general household tasks, these are a solid choice. What people say. These paper towels are surprisingly strong and absorbent, making them great for tackling tough messes. I love how soft these paper towels are. They don't leave lint behind, which is a huge plus for cleaning glass surfaces. The perforated sheets tear off easily and cleanly, so there's no waste or frustration when you need a piece. Number 1. MIOECO Reusable Kitchen Paper Towels, 10-pack. Reduce waste and embrace sustainability with these reusable paper towels. Crafted from premium organic cotton, their long lifespan minimizes environmental impact compared to disposable options. Experience exceptional absorbency for tackling spills and messes with confidence. These towels outperform traditional paper towels while remaining gentle on surfaces. Indulge your surfaces in the luxurious softness of organic cotton. Unlike disposable paper, these offer a gentle touch that won't scratch even delicate finishes. Simplify your cleaning routine with the ease of machine washability. Simply toss them in the laundry after use and they'll be ready for their next cleaning adventure. Conquer any mess, anywhere. These towels are ideal for all-around cleaning, from absorbing spills in the kitchen to wiping down surfaces in the bathroom and dusting throughout the home. What we like. Crafted from premium organic cotton, these towels offer superior absorbency and a gentle touch on all surfaces. They are also conveniently machine washable, making them a sustainable and practical choice for everyday cleaning. If you value eco-friendly materials and a soft, effective cleaning solution for your home, these organic cotton towels are a great pick. What people say. These paper towels are surprisingly strong and absorbent, holding up well even when wet. The sheets are a good size, making them versatile for various cleaning tasks around the house. I appreciate the perforated lines, which tear off cleanly without ripping unevenly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.